Hello guys, and welcome to another video. As you see, that today I'm doing a video about the system camera Canon M50. I just ordered them last night. I've received them today. So I will be on the first part, I will be doing the unboxing, and then on the second part we will be doing more review about it. So let's open up this box. Okay guys, so here's the box. The first thing I've noticed is the bag which is coming with this starter kit. Okay, so yeah, it feels very soft. Okay, the camera itself, which comes with the, it is a M50, as I said before. This M50 comes with a 15.45 dash 45mm lens. So this is the starter kit, and also it's coming with the 16 GB SSD memory card as well. Okay, so I will open up. I will skip the opening of the box. Okay, as the usual user manual, and I think that is to clean the camera lens, I guess. Feels like it. Okay. And the first thing that I see is the camera color. Okay. Let's see that inside. Okay, we'll just open up the camera. Okay, so this is actually looking quite small actually. Which I love it. I already scratched it. Okay, so it is very small camera, which I actually in red light, which I actually love it, to be honest. Okay, so that is all the option, and that is the battery place. And what is here? Mac. Okay. All right. Okay, I will leave that one on the side. I mean, what else we got here? Okay, this is the cartridge here. Okay. The charger is here. I see the charger for the battery. This one. Okay, so that is the battery. Okay, this is what I need. And the lens. Okay, so that is the camera with the lens, SD memory card, the battery, and not forget the bag. I will not actually test the camera at the moment. I have some work to do, and in the weekend I will try to do some shooting, so let's get the camera, taking some pictures, videos, and then I will let you guys know what I think about this camera and leave more review about it. So guys, once again, thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.